Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes, and for that you need water, shampoo, cleaner, and of course the dirty brushes. Like here I have plenty of dirty brushes, so I'll be taking one by one. First I'm taking this buffing brush and taking this shampoo on the cleaner. You can see there is some lines on that cleaner so that it can clean the brush nicely. So I'll just keep my two fingers in that cleaner and then use this to clean my dirty brush. You can see so much of froth which is there and so much of dirt which is coming out, and then I'm going to dip this brush into the mug of water. Then I'm going to take the another brush and repeating this step again. You can see how much dirt dirty my brushes were. So I'm repeating the same procedure for each brush. Now come to the sponge. I'm doing the same process for the sponge. I'm squeezing it to remove the excess of dirt and then rubbing on this makeup brush cleaner, and then again squeezing it and repeating the same procedure for the another sponge. So you can see these are the clean brushes, makeup brushes, which I've washed just now. Now I'm taking the tissue paper and wiping all the excess water and just keeping in the inverted downward side so the excess amount of water will come out. So I'll repeat the same for all the brushes and we'll keep it for air drying. Then coming to the sponge, I'll squeeze out the water, excess water, and we'll take the tissue paper and then squeeze it again to remove the excess amount of water. And again, we'll keep it on the tissue paper just for the air dry. So this was the very easy method for cleaning the makeup brushes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care.